Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. For a better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about how to make changes to the existing database. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. So far we have seen how to create a SQLite database that our app will be able to use to persist data. But what if we need to make changes to the database at some future stage? As an example, suppose lots of users have already installed our coffee app on their device and we want to add a new favorite column to the drink table. How would you distribute this change to new and existing users? Well, you might say that we could change the create table statement in the onCreate method, but that isn't entirely correct, because what if a device already has the old version of the database installed? When you need to change an app's database, there are two key scenarios you have to deal with. The first scenario is that the user has never installed your app before and doesn't have the database installed on his device. In this case, the SQLite helper creates the database the first time the database needs to be accessed and runs its onCreate method. The second scenario is where the user installs a new version of your app, which includes a different version of the database. If the SQLite helper spots that the database that's installed is out of date, it will call either the onUpgrade or onDowngrade method. So how can the SQLite helper tell if the database is out of date? We'll see that in the next video. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.